What's the meaning of attest? Attest. Attest.
Attest. Attest. The word attest means to provide evidence or bear witness to something. When someone attests to something, they are saying that it is true and accurate. This can involve providing testimony or signing a document to confirm its validity. Attesting can also involve verifying the authenticity of something or confirming its compliance with certain standards. Overall, the act of attesting provides assurance and establishes credibility in various contexts, such as legal proceedings, financial transactions, and quality control measures.